What's up, good people, and welcome back to another episode of Entrepreneur Briefing. In this episode, we are going to explore the intersection of business and estate planning. It is rare that entrepreneurs think about estate planning when they are constructing their business plan, securing funding, and initially testing their business ideas in the market. It is even rare for relatively young entrepreneurs to even consider that they could possibly die before they have achieved their vision of success. This is because entrepreneurs are doers, they are productive, they are visionaries, they are risk takers, and people like that do not plan on dying anytime soon. Conversely, they are planning a long life so that they can achieve all that their hearts desire. Like a home or a 401k, your business is hopefully an asset that can be transferred after your death. In other words, your business will be owned by another person or multiple people. Since many entrepreneurs have families and they're providing for their families from that income that is derived from their entrepreneurial efforts, it is imperative that if you passed away, the business remains in good hands. Now, all healthy institutions have a clear and appropriate succession plan. Consider United States federal government, for example. If the President of the United States is unable to fulfill his duties of the office, the law provides that the Vice President will assume the role as President. If the Vice President is unable to fulfill the duties of the office, then the Speaker of the House is next in line. And it goes on and on. The fact that this line of succession is thought out and written into law allows all United States citizens to expect that the government will continue to function even if our top leaders are unfit to perform their official duties. Similarly, your family and employees expect that your business will continue to operate and generate income in the unfortunate occurrence that you have passed away. Now, allow me to give you an example as to what could happen if you passed away without including your business into your estate planning. Imagine Sarah and Jamie are co-owners of a salon in San Jose, California. They split all expenses down the middle and they split all profits down the middle. They own the building that they work out of, which is worth $1 million. They're very successful. They have a book of business that brings in $200,000 a year from clients, and they make another $50,000 from renting out space in their shop to 5 other hairstylists. Sarah has a husband who is a full-time firefighter, and they have 2 children together, both over the age of 18. Jamie is single and has no children. Unfortunately, Sarah's husband never liked Jamie because Jamie had cheated on his good friend some years ago. Juicy story, I know. Fortunately, one night, on her way home from the salon, Sarah was tragically killed by a drunk driver. Sarah died intestate, which means she died without a will or a trust. What will happen to Sarah and Jamie's business in that scenario? Well, California law would say that Jamie owns 50% of the business, Sarah's husband would own 25% of the business, and Sarah's 2 children would own 12.5% of the business each. Jamie went from 1 business partner to 3 business partners. Jamie is now stuck owning a salon business with 3 people who provide no value to the business. However, they will have all the rights to operate and control the business. Jamie will be forced to buy out the interests of the other 3 if she wished to continue to operate the salon as is. If she did not have the funds to purchase the interests of the other 3 owners, she would be forced to either wind down the business or to sell it. These are clearly bad options for Jamie. These are also bad options for Sarah. I'm pretty sure Sarah would want the business to continue to thrive and that some dividends would be paid to her spouse and children for years to come. The heirs of Conrad Hilton are still being supported by his entrepreneurial efforts long after his passing. Why couldn't this be the outcome for Sarah's family? You see, Sarah could control what occurs to the company after her passing. She could enter into an agreement that states, upon the death of either Sarah or Jamie, that the surviving co-owner would control and operate the business solely, and that the heirs of the decedent will be owed some portion of the profits. She can also designate a particular person to operate the business in her stead. There are truly an endless number of legal possibilities that could occur given the specific factual situation an entrepreneur finds him or herself in. I know many of you entrepreneurs are working so that you can provide for your family. I also know you are working and grinding out those hours so that you can leave behind a legacy. If that is you, you should definitely give some consideration to how your business or businesses fit into your estate planning. And that's it. If this video was helpful or informative, please like this video, share this video, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. Our goal is to provide informative legal information that can help entrepreneurs thrive. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you all next week. Peace.